Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 4. Ordering food and drinks.
Can I start you off with anything to drink?
Yes, may I have some water, please?
Sure. Would you like any appetizers today?
May I get an order of barbecue wings?
No problem. Can I get you anything else?
No, thank you. That'll be all for now.
Let me know when you're ready to order your food.
I'm ready.
What can I get you?
May I have the fettuccine alfredo?
Will that be all?
Yes, that's it.
May I get you anything to drink?
Yes, please. May I get a glass of lemonade?
Would you like an appetizer?
May I get an order of barbecue wings?
Sure. Would you like anything else?
That'll be fine for now, thank you.
Tell me when you want to order the rest of your food.
Excuse me. I'm ready to order.
What would you like?
Let me have the baby back ribs.
Sure. Will there be anything else that I can get you?
That will be it for now.
Good evening. Can I get you a drink?
Sure, I would like a Coke.
Would you like to order anything off the appetizer menu?
Let's see. Can I get some fried zucchini, please?
Would you like to order anything else?
No, that's it, thank you.
No problem. Call me when you're ready to place the rest of your order.
I would like to order my food now.
What did you want to order?
Can I get a cheeseburger and some fries?
Can I get you anything else?
That's all, thank you.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share the channel, Dan Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.